This video was actually quite difficult for me to film because perhaps I don't know how to. I have painted a few canvases in the past, but I have never made a video of that. So when I set out to put the camera and start recording, I really did not know how to do that. First layer complete. So right now I am free for 20 minutes while it is drying. This acrylic is done on roughly a 2 feet by 3 feet canvas, and first I had applied gesso, which is not in the recording. After that, when the gesso dried up the following day, I put a layer of yellow. Is it yellow? What kind of yellow? Okay, I cannot go that specific into the shade, but I put one base layer and then I started with the camels. And I must say that this one was quite a wonderful experience. Acrylics are a very different medium from, say, watercolors, and still they are like watercolors. They are pretty much like watercolors because you dilute them in water and you apply them using water. But on a canvas they can slide down. The second thing is, it might be quite disturbing for you to watch me turning around all the time, but that is my photo kept on the other packaged canvases. So I'm going to keep turning to look at it. I'm really sorry about that, and I hope you don't find it as disturbing as I do. Okay, I remember that when I set out with the acrylics, I had no idea how to go about painting, because before that the only other medium used with water which I was familiar to was poster color and watercolor, and I'm not that used to watercolor either. So I later found out that it is hard to do a fine painting in acrylics, at least I think so, though a few artists I know make very fine acrylic paintings. But then the technique I used can be called impressionist. And now you are going to have a guest appearance from my brother. Here he is. Hello, greetings. Okay. He was going to feature in another video in which I and he had gone to a zoo together, but unfortunately I lost footage of that and I never got to releasing that video. I don't have that video. I really wish I had. But coming back to the subject, where was I? Okay, this technique can be referred to as some kind of impressionist, in which we apply quick and heavy layers close to each other to build the painting. Let's talk more about it in another video. Right now I find this really irritating that I am coming close to the camera and going in front of it again and again. I find this video actually very disturbing, even though it's my own video. I hope that you don't feel that way about it. Do give me your honest opinions in the pinned comment below, and I would be really happy to read that. And I hope you enjoy this video. If you are still here, do give it a like, and thanks again.